Okay, this is our final project. We're using a couple of capacitor soil moisture sensors and an Arduino to act as our analog to digital converter. And so to demonstrate how this works, the LEDs should light up as the plant gets enough moisture.
It's red right now, and now shows green. It means that it's wet.
And this plant
It's still red, and now it's wet. Well, it's still medium, needs a little bit more water.
that should be good there.
Now it's green.
And then, ideally, as the plants dried out, the lights would slowly go down to yellow, and then red, letting you know that you need to water your plants.
It also shows the result of each sensor on the display.
Ta-da!
And when we Control-C to stop the program, everything goes on, and then it turns off every LED.